Hello, Abraham Lincoln class of 2021 and parents and guardians. These are your fast facts for today. 5/17, Monday 5/17, 23 days until graduation, and here's what you need to know. Number 1, update your Naviance. Update Naviance with your post-graduation plans. Are you going to college or trade school? Are you going directly to unemployment? Taking a gap year? We need to know. Need help? Reach out to your counselors, but they need to know what you are doing. Number 2, complete all your Naviance tasks. There are 5 Naviance tasks that you need to complete. The directions are in Google Classrooms, but if you need help, make sure you reach out to your counselor. Number 3, senior projects. Senior projects are part of the graduation requirements. Make sure that you complete your senior project. This is mandatory, so don't take it lightly and make sure that you got it done. If you got it done already, good for you. Number 4, the exit survey. You must complete the exit survey to pick up your cap and gown. I'm going to repeat that again. You must complete your exit survey to pick up your cap and gown. The directions are on Google Classrooms. The survey is in the student portal /Infinite Campus. Again, if you need help, reach out to a counselor, or you can always throw me a line. Number 5, failing a class. Hey, if you happen to be failing a class for the year, not just the semester, but for the entire year, you need to reach out to your counselor immediately so they can sign you up for summer school. Again, need help, reach out to your counselor, drop me a line. Let's end on a high note. Number 6, graduation practice is right here at school. Graduation practice is mandatory and it's a whole lot of fun. We start here on Friday, June the 4th, 11:30 to 8:30 to 11:30. Monday, June the 7th, 8:30 to 11:30. Tuesday, June the 8th, 8:30 until 11:30. Graduation is only 23 days away. Finish strong, be well. Graduation, 23 days away. Find us on Insta at ALHSCO 2021, and I'll see you tomorrow with some more Fast Facts.